The downside is clearly relentless on account of the way the rupee is shaping up. It's really playing havoc with the way the equity markets have been performing. Remember, even the slight spurts that we've seen, most of the market experts have been saying that there is absolutely no conviction given that the underlying fundamentals of the Indian economy do continue to remain weak. That's largely reflected on account of the way the rupee is panning out, on account of the way you had the RBI, which continues to remain in pause mode. A lot of expectations as to what is likely to happen if we even touch levels of 62, perhaps a rate hike being warranted. Those are some of the high beta names which are really seeing a bloodbath today. So JP Associates, BPCL, Asian Paints, a lot of FMCG counters, all of your sectoral indices are deep in the red. Let's quickly pull up the Bank Nifty for you and also pull up the way some of the real estate counters are really taking a nosedive in today's session. So the Bank Nifty futures now seeing a nosedive of 337 points. We were clutching on to levels of 9,900. Now even 9,850 has been broken on the downside for the Bank Nifty futures. You've got a lot of counters from the broader markets also coming under a fair bit of pressure. HDIL is now seeing a double-digit cut. GMR Infra is off by 7%. Punj Lloyd, Union Bank, EIL, a corporation bank, but it's primarily a lot of banking names from the broader markets like a Karnataka Bank, a Syndicate Bank is now seeing a cut of 5.5%. 5610, mild amount of recovery, but the undertone, no doubt, continues to remain weak.